Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something super cool in Adobe Premiere, highlighting text. Whether you're creating eye-catching titles or emphasizing important information in your videos, mastering text stylus can make a huge difference. So let's jump into right in. First of all, take a screenshot which you want to and adjust it. Next, take a rectangular tool and draw the which line you wanted to highlight. Now go to SSA graphics panel. Next, let's make your highlight part. Select the rectangle and go to the appearance selection. Change the full color to something that contrasts nicely with your text color. You can also adjust the blending mode if you want a more suitable effect. Prefer a dark color. Now adjust the highlight layer. Next, add crop effect on highlight layer and animate the right or left. After all, go to Asset Graphics panel and select the layer and group it. Now make duplicate and adjust it. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button for more awesome content. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating.